Organ 1, the skin. Let's start with the organ most people don't even think of as an organ. Your skin. Its job is protection. It is a living barrier between the inside of your body and the outside world. It keeps bacteria out, holds moisture in, and controls your body temperature. Simple enough. Think of it like a smart building with sensors everywhere. The outer layer blocks intruders. The middle layers contain blood vessels that carry heat away when your body runs too hot. And millions of tiny nerve endings send real-time signals, pressure, pain, temperature, directly to your brain. All at once, constantly. Your entire outer layer of skin is replaced every 2 to 4 weeks. You are not the same person you were a month ago. Not metaphorically, biologically. Organ 2, the liver. Most people think the liver just filters alcohol. The liver is your body's main processing center. Everything you eat, drink, or absorb passes through it. It decides what your body keeps and what gets destroyed. Think of it like a customs office for your blood. Every molecule entering your system has to pass through the liver first. It checks, processes, and decides, useful or dangerous, keep or remove. It does this while simultaneously producing bile for digestion, regulating blood sugar, creating proteins your blood needs to clot, and managing cholesterol levels, over 500 functions, all running at the same time. It is the only organ in the human body capable of full regeneration. Remove 70% of it, and it will grow back to its original size. Organ 3, the heart. The heart's job sounds simple. Pump blood. That blood carries oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. It beats around 100,000 times a day. It moves approximately 7,000 liters of blood through your body every 24 hours. It has approximately 40,000 neurons embedded inside it, its own nervous system. It can sense, process information, and respond, completely independently from the brain. Scientists call this the heart brain. The heart generates an electromagnetic field 60 times stronger than the brain, a field that extends up to 1 meter outside your body. So when you feel something in your chest, fear, love, excitement, your heart is not just reacting to your emotions. It is broadcasting them to everyone who gets close enough. Organ 4, the gut. The gut's main job is digestion. It breaks down food, absorbs nutrients, and moves waste out of the body. Think of the gut like a second nervous system. Your digestive tract contains over 500 million neurons, more nerve cells than your entire spinal cord. Scientists call it the enteric nervous system. It operates independently, making decisions without waiting for instructions from the brain. Around 90% of your body's serotonin, the chemical that regulates mood, anxiety, and happiness, is produced in the gut. So that feeling of dread before something stressful, that heaviness in your stomach before a difficult conversation, that is not your imagination. That is your gut producing the chemicals that are directly shaping how you feel. Organ 5, the brain. The brain controls everything: movement, memory, language, emotion, decision-making. The brain processes roughly 11 million bits of information every second, from your senses, your body, your environment. It filters almost all of it, and only presents you with what it decides is important. Think of the brain less like a camera recording reality, and more like a film editor. It edits your memories every time you recall them. It fills the blind spots in your vision with images it fabricates. Researchers found that your brain begins initiating a decision up to 10 seconds before you feel like you made it. 10 seconds. What feels like free will, that precise moment of choosing, may simply be your brain informing you of what it already decided. Organ 6, the spleen. The spleen is the organ most people forget exists until something goes wrong with it. Its core job is filtering your blood. Every minute, your entire blood supply passes through the spleen. It inspects each red blood cell, old or damaged, destroyed and recycled. It also stores white blood cells and releases them immediately when your body detects an infection. Think of it as your body's quality control department. While your brain is resting, while your heart is slowing during sleep, the spleen is still working, still checking. You can have your spleen removed entirely and still survive, but you will not be the same. Without it, you become permanently more vulnerable to certain bacterial infections. the exact ones the spleen was quietly catching every single day. I'm Brain Typo. See you in the next update.